Welcome. If you want to customize Always on Display in your Xiaomi Black Shark 4, at the first you have to go for the settings, find Always on Display in the lock screen. Next, pick Ambient Display. Right now tap on the switcher to turn it on, and at the first we can change the display items. Currently it's set up on the schedule, but we can pick as always, so we'll get always that screen. Next we can change theme. Here we can couple of them. I think that I'm going to apply this one. Here we can also change color of the captions, enable or disable battery and the notifications, and click finally apply to change your display always in display. And as you can see, that's how it looks. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.